good morning, good afternoon. This is from the Western Vacuum Center. It's the most important news we can ever give you. I am from Red Rum Burger Davis, California, and we have the singer here from like Singapore. Yeah, but that's called the singer. I know. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here we have Hayden's Authority Central Vacuum System Warranty Dealer. Yes, yes, the hover, the hover, the hover, the hover, the hover. And then you go and you talk and you talk and you talk and you talk some more to the people, to the people, to the people, to the you. Oh, look, it's you. What do you know? I come from a country. I would just shout out, it's you. It's Hoover. It's like the Hoover Dam. You mean it doesn't say hovercraft on it? Like any of them? A hovercraft? No, but it says Hoover. Like it's a Hoover Dam. Again, for a dealer, Hayden. And it's like a hover. It's a hovercraft. Like all of it? Like all of it? And then with you, because I come from a country that I could just shout out, it's you. It's Hoover. Like the Hoover Dam. Okay. Okay. Because I don't know if you know that you're saying the word like, it's Royal Appliances or some shit. Seller Service Authority, because that one's the warranty dealer. What do you know? What do you know, guys? I do like my city. I really do. Eventually. 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 Look. Driven. You want to talk about Hoover and the word drive and how you get driven? Service focus, customer focused service, driven. The hover craft. Yeah, it's a Hoover, like in the Hoover Dam. Sales and service of. Eventually, guys, remember what I start with was a sewing machine, like Singapore. It's a singer sewer. Thank you. It says Western right here on the storefront for my shirt. Welcome to Red Robin Burger, Davis, California. It's not the hovercraft, even though we find driven here. It's the Hoover, like in the Hoover Dams. Again, for shouting out, it's just you, and I have a country I can do that in. It's you. It's still you. I'm not annoyed. Thanks. I have everything I ever wanted in my whole entire fucking life, but someone knows I could look like I'm annoyed. So I sound beautiful. I know how I sound. It's beautiful to have that sounding. The Hayden, yeah, the warranty dealer. What do you know about warranty dealers? Go fuck yourselves. Bye bye. Have a fun time. Look happy. By the way, Mandalorian, Star Wars, what's up? That shit's on bomb diggity style. Get a baby. Bye bye.